Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, I will show you about how to custom font in your iOS application. As you can see in this projects, and talk about how to custom font and embed it to our application. Yeah, as you can see in the previous video. Okay, if you miss this video tutorial, you can see the link below in video description. Okay, today I'm going to talk about how to use custom font as well, but today is we use image file that convert it to the font. I mean the image file, the extension is SVG, and using IcoMoon.io to convert that image to the font and use that font in our iOS application. Okay, don't waste time, let's go ahead to create together. Okay, the first thing you need to do is having SVG image that using to build a font icon. Okay, so now I'm going to the Safari and open one tab, and I will go into the IcoMoon.io, this website. Okay, here it is IcoMoon perfect icon solution. Okay, now I need one image. You can design for yourself, but for me I'm using the flat icon for example, so I'm going to flat icon. To download one icon to demo you about how to convert the SVG into the IcoMoon to use in your iOS application. So I can get one. I can say which one I should use. Okay, I think in this I can choose one. This package I can choose one. Let me take a look. Okay, which one? Okay, this one. I want to select this one. Oh, sorry, we need to download this pack, so I just need only one. So I can search maka YouTube. Yes. So what I need to do is let me select one. Okay, I choose this one. Okay, and then you will need to select SVG and select which file, which color. I recommend you using the black color and download it. Okay, in here. Okay, in here. So let's go back to our font and go into IcoMoon app. And then just wait a little bit. So yeah, we are here, and what we need to do is go to in here in our here icon and drag in here. So as you can see, and you need to select it and going to the generate font. So now here is the name. You can change any name that you like, and here the code. You can change the code as well, but I don't need to change, I just use default. So now you can see in 32 pixel. Yeah, so what we need to do next is download it. Boom. And then open it. Okay, now you have several files in that folder. What you need to do is go into the folder font, and you can see any type of font. You can use AOT font or TTF or WOFF. For me, I need to use IcoMoon TFF, as you can see here, and minimize. Okay, what we need to do is just drag it into our project as we do in the previous video, here, and finish. And now what we need to do next is use its name, and going to the info playlist and going to the font provided by application, and add one more item and paste it. Okay, now just build it once again. Okay, now successfully. So what we need to do is go into the storyboard, and I need to create a button. Just like this, I reside into the which can say 50 and 50. Okay, so what I need to do is yeah, like this, and I can change the background color like this. So what I need to do is I want to change the text color to red like this. So I need to link it to my code. Too easy to control. I can say button YouTube. Okay, let's get back, and then I need to add some constraint to make sure it's work ridge and height and horizontal. Okay, looks right. So what we need to do is going back to the view controller. So what I need to do is assign btn YouTube dot set dot title label dot font equal to UI font. So then you need here is a string of your font name, and here the size I can say Okay, what the name in here? What is name in here? Okay, the name in here is the name of our font. You know, our font is, you can go to here and copy this and just get back to our it seems to be missing. Yeah, alright. Okay, let's go. And one more thing, you need to set title like this. And then what we need to do is you need to set the code in your project. Yeah, as you know, we need to set the code into that button. So easy to use because the font, we need to set a title to the font. So yes, E900 and copy it and get back to our here. So we need to put slash and then U and then like this and put our code in here and UI control state. Okay, let's be and run to get the result together. Okay, it's launch chain. Oh why it's missing? Why it's not so? What is that? Oh, maybe missing this. Yeah, alright, so I really confusing with this. As I remember, I can use this. Let me try to run it again. Yes, as you can see here, YouTube button, and as I assign it to the red color. Okay, let me oh, we cannot bring it back. Okay, as you can see. Okay, in here. Okay, let me set it back to the no background. And set title color to blue and UI control state. Okay, let's be and run again. Okay, as you can see, like this, it's blue. You can change anywhere you want. Okay, look, it's pretty small, so I can update that side. I can say it and height. It's pretty big. And run it again. Oh, sorry, I forgot. We need to increase the size of font as well. Boom. Yeah, as you can see, it looks pretty nice. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like it, please like it. If you like and share this video, and I think don't forget subscribe my channel to get more video. And the next video I will bring you to the new tutorial and talk about mobile development and web development and design, included the tip and trick and the technology. So don't forget press the right button below this video, subscribe our channel to get more video, to get the new tutorial, and have to support us to like and share. And thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can ask me below this video. Okay, thank you, good luck, see you.